Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system or the Audi MMI system in this 2015 Audi S4. First of all, we go to settings, make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom for the Audi. Over here, these buttons around here, around the rotary control, if we click telephone, search for new mobile devices. So I click the center of there, that's looking, sorry, I've got to click continue as well. So that's looking for a new phone. I'm going to have to switch the aircon on in a minute, otherwise my cameras are going to overheat. I can see that coming. So it's brought up Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. So all we have to do now is click select, I want hands-free, connections being established. It should show up here in a second. There you go, Bluetooth pairing request pair. Does this pin match? Yes, it does. If it didn't, you click no, but it's highly unlikely it's not going to. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Bluetooth connection has been established. So somewhere up here, the contacts on the telephone cannot be loaded because 4 telephones have already been connected. Replace contacts of one of the telephone. Well, I'm going to show you how to delete a mobile in a short while. But to all intents and purposes, that's it. Audi MMI connected. That's how you do it. Right. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music or stream audio through the Bluetooth MMI system in this Audi, in this 2015 Audi S4. So over to music, click on music. That's the record playing at the moment. If we go down to the bottom there, you'll see Audi MMI. If you click on the silver triangle and the 3 silver circles, you'll see iPhone and Audi MMI. So there's a tick next to Audi MMI. That means anything that plays on this phone, any audio that plays on the phone, will come through this system. So it's playing at the moment, but it's turned down. Now what I need to do is go over here to media. We'll click on media, loading media or device. It's showing Mandolin Rain, so that will play through it. If it wasn't showing Mandolin Rain, these 4 silver buttons here around the rotary control correspond to the instructions in the corners of the display here. And you see at the top there is source. So if I click on source, you'll see there Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. If it wasn't, let's see, we'll just go to jukebox, and then I'll go back to another screen. So back. So I want to go to media now. This is playing here. So I go to media, click on media, and it's jukebox. Now what I need to do, again, source. So go to source, click on source, then turn it down, turn the rotary control down to Barry's iPhone 13 or whatever your phone's called, of course. That's it playing there. If I turn this up and then I turn this up, Bruce Hornsby, great record. That's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system, the MMI system in this 2015 Audi S4. So from any screen, you've got radio, media, telephone. If we click on telephone, you'll see there you've got telephone and you've got settings in that corner. Each instruction in the corner corresponds to one of these buttons. So settings there is the bottom right hand side. Click on settings, make call using, you've got telephone settings, Bluetooth. I want Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth, click Bluetooth. You've then got Bluetooth on. If you're having trouble connecting to Bluetooth or pairing your phone, make sure there's on next to Bluetooth there. Make sure discoverability is on too. You've got Bluetooth audio player. If you can't stream music, if you can't connect, make sure Bluetooth audio player's on. Then you've got find Bluetooth devices. Then you've got bonded Bluetooth devices. That's what we want to delete a mobile. So we select bonded Bluetooth devices, and you'll see there again there's my phone and John's phone. I want my phone. I'm going to select that, and then you've got delete Bluetooth device, hands-free connect or audio player connect. So I want to delete. So delete's highlighted. Click on that. Do you really want to delete? Yeah, I've gone through 5 menus not to delete it. That's it gone. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Audi S4. So from any screen, you've got nav there, radio, media and telephone, or where's the menu? If we're on menu, you can get to it like so by just going to navigation, but easiest way, of course, navigation. That's on navigation. Destination is in the bottom left, settings bottom right. So it's destination we want, the bottom left, that corresponds to this button here. Click on destination. Address, so we click yes, that's address we want. And then you've got start route guidance. It's already got our postcode in here, but we navigate to town or postcode, click the center of the rotary control, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. We need numbers now. Over in the bottom right hand corner, you've got 0 to 9. That's that button. So click 0 to 9, and then we go to 5. Select 5, 4. So it's PR5, 4, E. It went back to the alphabet on its own automatically. PR5, 4, and then you click OK. It's not giving me time to click OK. It's just defaulted to yes. It's saying add street. I don't want to add a street, but if you did, it would already be on add street. Just turn the rotary control to start route guidance. Click start route guidance.
Your route is being calculated.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.